next one just I want to showcase here is that how you can use a manual, because this is again in Fabric one approach need to just you know have the is okay. So batch generation was automatic, so that is why batch got generated automatic. We kept it this issue to process manually, so that is why we issued each and every quantity to each and every process through issue to process like form. If we say that automatic, so it it will be issue automatic also. For that, there is a setting available on the process as well. Okay, issue to process manually only. So this function you can use it according to this. So what will happen in that case also? You will be able to from one if the quantity is got completed in one process, like in this process, whatever has been receipt is done from this particular entry, automatically whatever the quantity is received, that will get issued to next process. So this way, issue entry manually will get eliminated. Whatever the quantity is received will get automatically issued here. So again, it is about the setting. Next is that for this particular entry, I am going to showcase here one setting. I mentioned that the document date. So this is the enabled here. Now you can see if I do a setting, I'm going to do two settings here. One is that project wise inventory, and another is that in production itself, allow changing date in issue and receipt. Okay, I'm going to cancel all screen now. Okay. So when I come to production plan again, I can go and I can select my production uh, plan here, and I can say that issue. You can see here the date is got disabled. Now that date is not editable. Okay. So why it is required? As mentioned, the production is, like in the night shift, the production is done, and on the next day, entry is supposed to be done. So whatever the entry has been, like completed for the yesterday production, that they can make it on the correct date. So if this way we disable this, so that means what whenever they are making the entry, the production will consider as the production is done on that particular day. So some customers want the date flexibility for the entry. Next is that material issue according to the project. So in the material issue also, uh, I can release this production order first. Okay. And in material issue also, okay, I have to generate a lot. Okay. No lot is there for this particular. If I disable this, okay, lot thing, you can also observe that if I disable the lot wise issuance, if we disable this, then it won't ask us to, it won't ask for us for to, the lot now. Okay, let's see. Okay. So our setting is enabled, which is project wise inventory. Now you can see here, if I go and check this, stock, I'm already having inventory here. Okay, a lot of inventory available, but no batches are showing there of those lots. So, in fact, that project itself. So this is the control where the another project or like another project inventory cannot be used in the another like project, you can say, like or the order. So this settings is available other than the validations uh, or like the customer requirement, this can be enabled. Next is that we are going to see how we can do the uh, the machine planning part. But just for the fabric, I just want to showcase that how the manual batches you can enter it. Okay. So if I am having a fabric also, mm, just okay. Let's see. The button will get enabled. In fact, just wait. Okay. Now the button is there. Okay. And you will go here. You will be able to define the batches. Okay. So how many batches you want to generate, that you can define it, and based upon that you will be able to define the quantities of each roll. Basically this will required in fabric. Okay, when you are doing the fabric production, uh, that time you can see here on in fabric, the size template I already showcased here for the fabric. There are the for fabric, we don't have any size. Okay, so when we don't have any size, but we want to do a production, in that case we can keep only one size there, which will showcase here as the meters. Okay, directly, and against that the fabric will get like the 2000 quantity or 5000 quantity is got, want to report it as a completion. So in meters itself it will show like the 5000 or 10,000, whatever the order quantity is. Based upon that, you will be able to, when you say that, no, nothing is there, that is why it is showing like this. Okay. But you will be able to report those batches manually by entering the quantity also. So in fabric, that is one, the thing is important.